Hey guys, we are looking at tonight's homework. I chose the side that has Rudy Hunter. That's the one we talked about today before you guys left. So last week in class we talked about net income and gross income, and we talked about net income being the income or the amount that you've earned after taxes and other deductions have been taken out of your paycheck. We talked about gross income. Remember, that is the grossly awesome amount that we wish we could keep it all. However, the gross income is the income or money you've earned before taxes and other deductions have been taken out of your check. So right now for homework, we're looking at 4 paychecks. Now, if it's a paycheck, that means that taxes and deductions have already been taken out. So we're looking off to the right-hand side, and we see that Mr. Rudy Hunter has already had 4 items deducted or taken out of his paycheck. And those 4 items are right here. Income tax, union fees, FICA tax. Let's see if we can erase that. All right, there we go. FICA tax and 401k. Those items have already been taken out of his check. Thus, that's where we get the net income amount of $4,335.56. Now, here is what we want. We want to figure out what his gross income is. That's what we're missing. We can also see that way down here. What is Rudy's gross income amount? So we're going to fill up this little area right here. Alright, so if his net amount is what you get after you take taxes and deductions out, the gross amount is what we have before all of those 4 items come out of his check. So what we're going to do is we're going to take everything, all of these deductions off to the side, the income tax, the union dues, the FICA tax, and the 401k. We're just going to add it right back into his check so that it looks the way that it did before the taxes and deductions were taken out. Alright, so we got some little space over here off to the side, and all we're going to do is line up all of our decimals like our song tells us to do, and we're going to add up all of the deductions, and then we're just going to add it right back into the check. Alright, so here are the amounts that we should be adding. We should be adding, wrong thing, sorry guys. I need a pen, not a highlighter. That away. Alright, there we go. We should be adding $605.22. I'm going to make my decimal really nice and bold there so you don't miss that. We should also be adding in union dues, $55.75. Now guys, for right now, that's all I'm going to do. Just going to add those 2. Remember, some of you guys are really good at stacking several numbers on top of each other, lining up those decimals, and then adding as needed. But then sometimes we stack too many numbers on top of each other and try to add them, and that's when the mistakes occur. So we're just going to do 2 at a time for right now. Okay, so 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. My decimal should also come straight down. 5 plus 5 is 10. Here's my 0. I'm going to regroup. There's my 1. 1 plus 0 plus 5 is 6. And 6 plus nothing under it is another 6. So far, we're at $660.97. Let's go ahead and I'm going to cross these 2 out because I've already added those. Next, I need to add in that FICA tax of $378.38. Okay, my decimals, as you can see, are lined up. I'm going to go ahead and put another decimal down here because I know my answer is going to have a decimal in that exact same place. Now let's add again. 7 plus 8 is 15. I'm regrouping. That's my 5 of 15. My 1 of 15. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 3 more is 13. Here's my 3 of 13. I'm regrouping. So here's my 1 of 13. 1 plus 0 plus 8 is 9. 6 plus 7 is 13. I'm regrouping. There's my 3 of 13 and my 1 of 13. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 3 more is 10. All right. So we are now at $1,039.35. All right. So I'm going to cross out the FICA tax. And I'm also going to go ahead and add the very last deduction of $335.17 for the 401k. And again, my decimals are nice and lined up like they should be. And now we're going to add 5 plus 7 is 12. I'm regrouping. There's my 2 of 12 and my 1 of 12. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 1 more is 5. My decimal comes straight now. 9 plus 5 is 14. I'm regrouping. There's my 4 of 14 and my 1 of 14. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 4 more is 7. 0 plus 3 is 3, and my 1. Okay, so I have added up all of the deductions that were taken out of Rudy Hunter's paycheck. Now, we're going to take that $1,374.52 and we're going to add it right back to his net income amount of $4,335.56. All right, so here is his paycheck amount. Again, $4,335.56. We're going to add that to all of the stuff they took out of his paycheck, which was $1,374.52. That should give us Mr. Rudy Hunter's gross pay. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. I'm regrouping. Here's my 0 of 10 and my 1 of 10. We make that decimal really nice and bold so we can see that it is being brought straight down in its rightful place. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10 again. I'm regrouping. 0 of 10. 1 of 10. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. I'm regrouping again. There's my 1 of 11 and my other 1 of 11. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 3 more is 7. My comma. 4 plus 1 is 5. Alright, so here is your overall answer. $5,710.08 is what Mr. Rudy Hunter's gross amount was before they took the taxes out. Alright guys, all the other problems are pretty much the same. I believe they're all asking you for your standard gross income, which means before the taxes. Follow the same directions, follow the same thing that I did, and you should be fine. You also have some prime composite, some multiplication and division practice at the bottom of this paper. Please do not forget those. We do want to keep sharpening those skills and make sure that they are fresh. Alright guys, I will see you tomorrow. Please bring any problems or any issues or concerns you have back to me so we can work on those in class. Thanks guys.